Many people are unaware of how getting remarried will impact the beneficiary of their corporate retirement plan, such as a 401k plan. Under the Federal Employee Retirement Income Security Act, or ERISA for short, the moment you are married, your new spouse is automatically deemed the 100% beneficiary of your corporate retirement account. This means your current spouse will be the beneficiary, even if your most recent signed beneficiary designation form names your children. Not knowing this requirement can have life-changing ramifications for your children and your spouse. There are two ways to avoid this result. First, have your new spouse sign a notarized beneficiary waiver form acknowledging they are not the primary beneficiary and submit it to your employer or your 401k plan administrator. Make sure to follow up and confirm the waiver has been processed and your beneficiaries have been updated. It's not uncommon for these forms to get misplaced. The second option applies if you're over age 59 and a half, or if the 401k plan is with a prior employer. Most company retirement plans will allow you to roll your retirement account into an individual retirement account or IRA if you no longer work for the company or are over age 59 and a half. ERISA's rules about automatically deeming a spouse the 100% beneficiary do not apply to IRA accounts, so you're free to name whomever you want as beneficiary of your IRA account. We often recommend initiating the rollover prior to getting remarried to avoid the need for a waiver. By taking these steps, you can ensure your retirement assets are distributed according to your wishes.